Happy 4th of July to you. Mike Brady speaking to you from Generosity Wealth Management here in Boulder, Colorado. And happy summer to you. Here for the second quarter review and the third quarter preview. Second quarter was a difficult quarter. Okay, I don't want to minimize that impact. May was just an absolutely brutal month. June recovered from some of that, but not enough to make the unmanaged stock market indexes positive for the second quarter. If you look back 3 months ago, one thing that I said is that I believed that volatility was going to increase, and it did. It did in fact increase. We saw a much more erratic market in the second quarter than we did in the first quarter. The unmanaged stock market indexes are still positive for the year. 3 months ago, 6 months ago, I said that I believe that 2012 was going to end as a positive year for those stock market indexes, and I still believe that is true today. That does not mean you should not have a well-diversified long-term strategy in your portfolio. You absolutely should. I think that's important for every client. Now, as I look forward to the third quarter, there's going to be a lot going on, particularly as we lead up into the election. The election, of course, is the first week of November, so we've got this third quarter leading up to it with the convention and all kinds of hype. But we also have, if you're looking for things to be negative about, you've got the looming Iran crisis. You've continued to have Europe problems with Spain and Italy. You've got China showing a slowdown, and many analysts saying that they're going to have a huge correction at some point in the future. Who knows if it's going to be third quarter or not. But then you also have, not this quarter, but in December, you've got the expiration of the Bush-era tax rate cuts. And so they've been extended, and now it's come due again. And it's going to be in that after the election, before the inauguration. And that's kind of a big thing going on this year between now and the end of the year. On the flip side, though, companies have huge cash balances. Companies have been very successful at reducing their costs so that a decrease. So one of the positives of being very lean and mean and efficient from a company point of view is some of their fixed costs, like a decline in oil, in the gas prices, can have a major impact on their profitability. And so I believe that that's a positive trend for these companies. Plus, they're dealing with lowered expectations. There's a lot of bearish sentiment out there, so they have lower expectations that they have to meet. And one of the most recent studies have shown that potentially the housing crisis has hit a bottom, the prices, and so I think that as that hits, it's going to kind of stoke the stock market a little bit more. I do continue to believe that the end of the year is going to be volatile, but it is going to end positive. You've got to remain diversified. I believe that you should meet with your advisor, and hopefully that's me if you're one of my clients, to find a portfolio that works well for you, that meets your long-term goals. I've said this time and time again, that one of the best things that you can do, and hopefully you can do that with your advisor, is figure out, you're at point A, where's point B, how do you get there, what plan works with your risk level, so that all the kind of the variables, so that you can have the lifestyle that you want upon retirement, or if you're already in retirement, that you can not outlive your money, that all the kind of the variables add up together. If you do have a long-term strategy, frankly, month by month, quarter by quarter, these things are just data points. And so I hope that you're sleeping well at night because someone's worrying about it on your behalf. You're always welcome to give me a call. Mike Brady, 303-747-6455. My email is mike@generositywealth.com. www.generositywealth.com is my website. I'd love for you to go see that. Hope you have a wonderful 4th of July. Not sure exactly when this video is going out. Hopefully it's going out Monday afternoon. Maybe it's going Tuesday. Not sure. But I'm recording it Monday, July 2nd. And like I said, I hope you have a wonderful 4th of July. We will talk to you later. Bye-bye now.